If you're thinking about switching to Verizon for one of their unlimited plans, here's what you need to know before you make the move. Verizon currently offers three main unlimited plans: Unlimited Welcome, Unlimited Plus, and Unlimited Ultimate. All of them include unlimited talk, text, and data, but what really matters is how they handle speed, perks, and fine print. Unlimited Welcome is completely the cheapest, but it's also the most limited. There's no premium data, which means your speeds can slow down anytime, and the network's busy. You also don't get mobile hotspot data unless you pay extra. Unlimited Plus is the middle ground. It adds 30 gigs of mobile hotspot, which means that you can, hotspot to a fair degree. You got access to premium data and better 5G speeds on C-band. For most people, this one strikes the best balance between price and performance. And you've got Unlimited Ultimate, which is the top pick. It's the top tier option. It adds more hotspot data, it adds international features, and the best access to Verizon's 5G. And it's also the most expensive, and the extras aren't worth it unless you're traveling often or rely heavily on mobile data. One thing to watch out for, and I would say, these plans can get pricey when you add multiple lines or extra features like device protection or subscriptions. And taxes and fees aren't always included in the advertised price. Bottom line, Verizon's unlimited plans are reliable and they're fast, but if you're in a good coverage area. Unless you really need the extras, Unlimited Plus is the most practical choice for most people. Thank you so much for watching.